Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add Translator in Line app. So first of all, launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to add the translator, what you have to do is tap on the add friends icon that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, tap on the search icon. Now what you have to do is make sure ID is selected over here. Now simply type in @line. Now for example, if you want the English to Korean translator, what you have to do is simply type in ENKR. Now simply search for it. Now you'll be able to see the translator over here. Simply tap on this option add that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it has been added. Now what you have to do is go back. Now you'll be able to add this translator to the group. So for that, tap on the chats icon that you can see at the bottom. You can add the translator to the existing group, or you can also create a new group with the translator. So what you have to do is tap on this icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now tap on this option group. Now simply select the contact with whom you would like to use the translator. Now in the friends section, you'll also be able to see the translator. Simply tap on it and it will be added. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can enter the group name if you want. Simply enter the group name and tap on this option create. Now once you do that, you can see over here the group will be created with the translator. So you can simply type in any message over here. Now send the message. Now after you do that, you can see over here the message will be translated by the translator. So like this, you'll be able to add the translator. So that is how you add translator on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.